Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable dark theme in PyCharm. So let's get started. So first thing, to the leftmost top you'll be having this option main menu. Click that, just expand the file, you'll be having this option called as settings. Click it, and under settings you'll be having this appearance and behavior. Expand and click on appearance. So the first option will be theme. I guess by default it's going to be light or some other option. So if it's light, you can just click on dark. This is the dark theme, and if you want to choose Dracula, this is it, kinda mild dark theme. And we have high contrast. I guess nobody will use this. Next is intelligent light, which is also just another light theme. So I'll just go with dark theme. This is the most appealing one, and just click on OK. That's it, we are getting our dark theme enabled. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.